Okay, guys, in this video, we are going to take a look at three-dimensional system. Okay, so in three-dimensional system, we have axis. We have x-axis, y-axis, but now we also have the z-axis. And you can see that the arrows signify which way it's going to be positive and which way is the negative side, right? Now, what we need to know is something called right-hand rule. So the right-hand rule is going to determine which way the z-axis is going to be pointed towards. So if you were to curl your fingers, imagine that you are going to curl your fingers from the x-axis towards the y-axis like this, then your thumb, right, your thumb is going to show you the direction of the positive z-axis. So it's going to be this way. Okay, so how do we determine the coordinates of a point, the coordinates of a point? So first we need to decide, okay, we're going to move along the x-axis to get to that point, right? And in order to do that, to see it, what I'm going to do is just rotate the graph so that the z-axis is looking at me. And so I can see that I'm going 3 units to the right, and then I'm going 1 unit along the y-axis, right? Or parallel to the y-axis. So it's going to be 3, 1. Now I just need to determine the coordinates of the z coordinate, right? So here I can see that I'm going 3 down, right? So generally, how do I get from the origin to point P? So let's just carefully look at that. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go 3 units towards the along the x-axis, right? Then we're gonna go 1 unit along the y or parallel to the y-axis, and then we're gonna go 3 units down, and that's how we get to that point P. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the coordinates in here. Now, notice how it says enter a point. So it gives you those tips of what you're supposed to put. So when you click on more, it tells you, okay, if it's a point, it has to have parentheses. So in this case, actually, this is a three-dimensional situation. It doesn't know that, but that's okay. So we got -3, I'm sorry, I think it was +3, and then it was 1, and then it was -3. I think that was the coordinates of that point.